I was just seeing whether you actually stock the Beauty King skincare bar. I'm looking for the Soothe one. Do you by any chance stock the Beauty King Hydrate bar? I'm looking for the Beauty King Clarify bar. Apparently you stock it, all my friends are using it.
I reckon try on the right hand side, just past hair care first.
I've been looking for it everywhere and everyone said Superdrug.
No. Have you tried Boots? No, she doesn't scam for on the tail. Try Selfridges.
No, it's not even showing
Oh
up.
gosh.
It's really strange that. We do sell that, but it's only on our marketplace online. At like a higher end one, it will be sold online.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much.